Manchester High is represented by Jalissa Tracy, Stefan Smart, Kimarley Ferguson, and Matthew Dunkley. Wolmer's Girls is represented by O'Shea Walker, Angelica Bailey, Janae Wright, and Giselle Harrison. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss, and Manchester High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Manchester High. Now, this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Manchester, we begin with chemistry. Which element is derived from a Greek word meaning lazy or inactive?
Argon.
Argon.
Correct. Chemistry for Wolmer's Girls. The element astatine is derived from which Greek word?
Astium.
Astium.
Incorrect. Astatos. International Affairs. Manchester, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Robert Kennedy Jr.
Robert Kennedy Jr.
Robert Kennedy Jr.
Yes. International Affairs. Wolmer's Girls, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Okay. Jose Molini.
Jose Molini.
Incorrect. Scott Besant. Mathematics. Manchester. The area of a trapezium is 40 centimeters squared. If the parallel sides are of length 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters, what is the shortest distance between these sides?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
Correct. Wolmer's Girls, mathematics. What is the area of a rhombus if its diagonals are of lengths 10 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively?
70 centimeters squared.
70 centimeters squared.
Incorrect. 35 centimeters squared. History for Manchester. The wars of Scottish independence were fought between what 2 kingdoms?
Scotland and England. Scotland and England.
Correct. History. Wolmer's Girls. Egypt gained independence from which country in 1922?
France.
France.
Incorrect. Great Britain. Music for Manchester. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Red wine. Red wine.
Correct. Music for Wolmer's Girls. Listen to this clip and give the title of the song.
Just to make it quick, pull my chin to the sick.
Niners.
Correct. Geography for Manchester. What are two of the 4 countries that border the Gulf of Oman?
Oman and Iran.
Gulf of Oman.
Oman and Iran. Oman and Iran.
Correct. Geography for Wolmer's Girls. What body of water is a northwestern arm of the Red Sea located between the Sinai Peninsula and Africa?
Sea of Marmos.
Sea of Marmos.
Incorrect. The Gulf of Suez. Manchester, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Jessica Tandy.
Jessica Tandy.
Incorrect. Felicity Jones. And theatre and cinema for Wolmer's Girls. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Matthew Anderson.
Matthew Anderson.
Incorrect. Edward Norton. Physics for Manchester. What instrument is used for measuring radiant energy?
Radiant energy. Radiant energy. Photometer. No. Pyranometer.
No, a bolometer or radiometer. And physics for Wolmer's Girls. What instrument is used to measure infrared light spectra?
Dispersometer.
Dispersometer.
Incorrect. Spectrophotometer. Sports for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
James Hart. Chelsea James.
Chelsea James.
Incorrect. Lauren James. Sports for Wolmer's girls. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Arnia Williams.
Incorrect. Patricia Guijaro. Spanish for Manchester, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Manchester High on 6, Wolmer's girls on 1. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.